Good morning. My name is Ed Romaine. I'm supervisor of the town of Brookhaven. I'm joined by Councilwoman Valerie Cartright and Councilwoman Jane Bonner. We're here at the Wedge, and you see as two installations that we're doing that could charge up to 4 cars here, electric vehicles. We are placing these charging stations throughout the town. As I speak today, we have these stations here at the Wedge. We have additional stations at our Park Administration Building in Center Reach, and another charging station at our new rec center in Center Moriches. As the year unfolds, we will be putting charging stations throughout the town of Brookhaven. Why? Because we want to encourage the use of hybrids and electric vehicles. They emit, obviously, less hydrocarbons. They're better for the atmosphere. Electric vehicles actually cost 40 to 50% less than fuel vehicles to operate. They're more cost efficient. They cost a little bit more up front, but over the long run, they're far more cost efficient, and they're much friendlier to the environment. We have marked, as you can see out there, that these spaces are for vehicles to charge their electric vehicles. They're not for conventional vehicles. And if we have to put up a sign to that effect, we will. We want to encourage people who have electric or hybrid vehicles to do that. We have been buying more hybrid and electric vehicles for our fleet, and will continue to do so as part of our effort to reduce our carbon imprint in the town. And at this point, I'm going to allow councilwomen who are very supportive of this effort to say a few words.
Jane, I'll let you go first.
Jane.
Good morning, everybody. I can't tell you how excited and proud I am that these charging stations are in my council district in Mount Sinai at the Heritage Park, which is a partnership that Brookhaven has with the Mount Sinai Heritage Trust, a public-private partnership. Supervisor stated it very well. As we move to more green energy in Brookhaven, these charging stations will be placed conveniently throughout Brookhaven Township to make it to make them accessible and more convenient for those that have decided to make the switch to an electric vehicle or a hybrid vehicle. So thank you all for coming. You can denote the plug and the car in the parking space, and that is a very obvious reminder to those people that are going to be parking here that these stations, these stalls are for hybrid and electric vehicles only.
Valerie?
Yes, thank you, Supervisor. Good morning, everyone. This is clearly a step in the right direction for the town of Brookhaven as we move to reduce our emissions here in the town. There are so many valuable incentives to having electric vehicles. Not only is it a positive thing for our environment, but it also, of course, reduces gas for those that have electric vehicles. So I'm proud to stand with my colleagues here today. I'm the councilwoman for the neighboring district, Council District 1. So I frequent this park on a regular basis, and we're going to continue to take these steps in the right direction. Thank you.
And we have our electric vehicle right here, plugging in.
Charging up.
Come on over.
Okay.
This baby will cost us 40 to 50% less than a gas vehicle to maintain. It will be good for our atmosphere and our air. And as a town, we are going to be converting our fleet ever so slowly to incorporate more hybrids and electric cars. We are going to be spending the next 3 years in putting charging stations throughout the town. The first 3 are up. We are going to be looking to put them in every councilmatic district, but we're going to be putting them in key areas. Town Hall, Percy Rayner Park, all over the town. Sandspit, the rest of the areas, so that vehicles, not only town vehicles, but private vehicles, can charge up. Take a look at electric cars, particularly if you're a 2-car family. Maybe one of those cars should be electric. So we're encouraging this, and we're going to continue to promote charging stations throughout the area.
Okay, come on, let's plug her in.
Plug her in.